I sat down with Lauren CEO Patrice Louvet last week in Davos. We discussed his outlook for the company heading into 2024, the global market, and of course, the hottest topic this year, artificial intelligence.
We're cautiously optimistic as we get into 2024. I think one of the things that really has characterized the work we've done with Ralph Lauren in particular is our ability to build in resilience into our business model, into our brand, so that you can count on Ralph Lauren irrespective of what the environment will look like. And we've had to navigate COVID, we've had to navigate the inflationary pressure situation, and so we feel confident going into 2024.
How has your business changed most since COVID? It really was a reckoning for retailers like yours and a test of leadership.
Yeah, I think there are a few areas that have evolved for us. First of all, if you look at the way consumers have been shopping, right, there's been a pretty significant pivot that we all have to make towards digital. And that's been a big new capability for us. And it stayed, right? About a quarter of our business now is digital. The second area is you look at how people dress, right, and what's changed there. And you hear a lot about quiet luxury. And I think in times of uncertainty, consumers are gravitating towards brand they know, products they trust. And so we're seeing that clearly evolve as consumers move to more sophisticated casual dressing. And then I think, we've just learned to build a bigger agility muscle. Right, and obviously we have supply chain challenges as we speak with what's happening in the Suez Canal. And I think one of the new muscles that the company has developed is this ability to just be nimble and be agile, stay true to who we are, but navigate with agility.
How is that affecting you? The tensions and the attacks in the Red Sea, the shipment delays?
So we've built over time, and COVID was a big enabler for this, a relatively resilient and flexible and diversified supply chain. So the impact for us is not material. It's a disruption, of course, but it's not material.
Where are you investing? I feel like geographical diversity has been a big focus.
Geographically, yeah. So our core market is the U.S., right? So we want to make sure that we're driving that successfully. China, as you and I have talked in the past, is a major opportunity for us. China today is about 6 to 7% of the company. Pre-COVID, it was around 3%. So we've made good progress. But when you compare the penetration of luxury companies and China, it's more 20, 30, 40% of their business. So I think we have a lot of runway in China. Southeast Asia in general is a significant white space opportunity for us. And then we're starting to plant seeds in India. I know that's a topic this week, right? But with really a lens to the next 10 years and the next 20 years to make sure we're building the right brand positioning, the right brand equity, so that we can benefit from that in the many decades to come.
China's been a really good story for you and a growth driver, as you mentioned, even amid questions last year and going into this year about the strength of their recovery, how much China's willing to add stimulus to juice retail sales and economic growth. What are you seeing on that front?
Yeah, China's been has been consistently strong for us. You saw that in our last quarter release. I think what the team is doing really well there is we're very focused. We focus on top 6 cities, right? Taipei, Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Chengdu, Shanghai, Beijing. We are building consumer-centric ecosystems with a flagship store, polo boutique, surround sound digital, quality wholesale. On the product front, this is where we sell our most elevated product, actually. Our most expensive cashmere sweaters are actually loved by our Chinese consumers. And so we're leaning into that. We've also seen really nice diversity in terms of the makeup of our customer base. It's a younger consumer, more diverse from a gender standpoint. And I think the team is doing a great job bringing our purpose to life, which is global and universal, and weaving that into the Chinese culture.
You said the most high-end cashmere sweaters.
Yes.
How much is a high-end cashmere sweater?
Oh, there's a broad range, but if you're ready for it, you could spend $1,000 or more on that.